Hey there, I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate. Are you planning a move and you're feeling really overwhelmed by everything that needs to get done? Well, moving can be stressful, but with the right checklist, you can stay organized and make the process so much smoother. In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know before relocating so that you can move with confidence. If you're planning a move, this checklist is going to be your best friend. So be sure to watch until the end and don't forget to reach out to Domaille Real Estate for expert guidance on making your relocation stress-free. Hi guys, I'm Kelly Domaille and I own Domaille Real Estate at eXp Realty in Rochester, Minnesota. Obviously, I'm not in Rochester right now, as you can see. I'm actually in Costa Rica on vacation, and I thought it would be a great place to do this video because we're talking about moving. And whether you're moving across town or country to country, having a clear plan in place will make all the difference. So let's break down the ultimate moving checklist to help you stay on track. Where do you start when you're planning your move? Well, the first step is to create a timeline for your move. Ideally, you should start preparing at least 8 weeks in advance by decluttering your home. Let's be real, if you haven't opened that box since the last time you moved, you probably don't need to bring it to the next house. Also, making a list of important tasks and research moving companies or rental trucks. Planning ahead is really going to save you time, money, and unnecessary stress. Now that's 8 weeks, but what should you do 6 weeks before moving? Well, at this stage, you're going to want to start gathering packing supplies and begin packing non-essential items. Label boxes clearly and take inventory of everything. And if you have children, you're going to want to notify their school about the upcoming move. And if you're relocating for work, you want to confirm details with your employer. Now, what are the most important tasks to complete 4 weeks before the move? Well, about a month before moving, transfer or set up utilities at your new home. Update your address with your post office and schedule any necessary home repairs. This is also the time to start using up those perishable food items and plan for your moving day logistics. Now, what should be on your last minute moving checklist? Well, in the final week before your move, double check that all important documents, medications, and valuables are packed separately and easy to access. You're going to want to confirm the moving date and your arrangements, clean your home for the next occupant, and do a final walkthrough to make sure nothing's left behind. And that means checking every little closet, shelf, and drawer. And if you'd like to know more about moving tips and real estate advice, make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any of our future videos. And please follow us on all of our socials. And if you liked this video, then make sure that you hit that like button down below. And if you have any questions, comments, or feedback, please put them down below as well. I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Pura vida!